The Turkish defense industry has once again attracted global attention after Baykar successfully flew the Bayraktar KIZILELMA in its maiden training flight. This next-generation combat drone is not just another drone, but a pilotless fighter concept designed to transform the way modern air warfare is conducted. The Bayraktar KIZILELMA was developed as a high-speed combat UAV platform capable of carrying out a variety of complex missions, from strategic reconnaissance to air combat operations. Unlike conventional drones, which are generally used for surveillance or light attack missions, the KIZILELMA is designed to approach the capabilities of manned fighter aircraft. One of the most interesting aspects of the KIZILELMA is its stealth-focused design. The fuselage is designed to reduce its radar signature, allowing the UAV to operate in areas with advanced air defense systems. Furthermore, the KIZILELMA is equipped with an internal weapons bay that can carry various types of precision munitions. This configuration not only enhances combat capabilities, but also helps maintain a low radar profile. Artificial intelligence technology is also a crucial component of the KIZILELMA system. This UAV is designed to perform rapid data analysis, assist decision-making during missions, and enable collaboration with other aircraft in a loyal wingman or swarm operation concept. KIZILELMA's first training flight was a crucial moment, demonstrating its technological readiness and the maturity of its aerodynamic design. During this phase, the development team focused on testing flight stability, engine performance, control systems, and the aircraft's response to various air conditions. During the test flight, the aircraft demonstrated stable maneuverability and precise control response. This is crucial because KIZILELMA is designed to operate in complex combat scenarios, including high-speed flight and high-risk environments. One of KIZILELMA's unique features is its ability to operate from drone carriers such as the TCG. This provides strategic flexibility for the Turkish military, enabling the launch of combat UAVs from the sea without relying on land-based air bases. This capability opens up a new concept in military operations, allowing fighter jet UAVs to be rapidly deployed to support expeditionary missions, maritime operations, and rapid response to regional threats. This project builds on Baykar's experience developing the TB2 and Akanki drones, which have been used in various modern conflicts. The success of these previous platforms provides a crucial foundation for the development of this next-generation fighter jet UAV. The success of the first KIZILELMA training flight shows that Turkey is increasingly independent in the development of defense technology. In recent years, the country has aggressively invested in its domestic drone industry to reduce dependence on foreign technology. But the presence of fighter jet UAVs, such as Turkey has the potential to expand its military capabilities in modern air warfare. These drones can be used for high-risk missions without endangering human pilots, while reducing operational costs compared to conventional fighters. In addition, this technology also has great export potential, considering the increasing global demand for advanced combat UAV systems. Although the maiden training flight is an important step, KIZILELMA still has a long way to go. Advanced testing will include weapon system integration, high-speed testing, as well as evaluation of combat capabilities in various operational scenarios. Other challenges include improving AI-based autonomous systems as well as increasing interoperability with other military platforms. However, looking at the rapid progress of the Turkish drone industry in the past decade, many analysts believe that KIZILELMA has a great chance of becoming one of the most advanced combat UAVs in the world. Bayraktar KIZILELMA's maiden training flight was not just a technological test, but a symbol of transformation in the world of air warfare. With its combination of stealth design, fighter jet capabilities, artificial intelligence, and the operational flexibility of aircraft carriers, KIZILELMA shows the future direction of unmanned combat systems. If development goes according to plan, this UAV could become one of the main strategic assets for Turkey, while opening a new chapter in the evolution of global combat drones. The era in which pilotless fighters play a major role in modern conflicts appears to be approaching, and Bayraktar KIZILELMA is at the forefront of that change.